So hello guys, I welcome you all today to our channel, and that is NEET PG MDS. So today I'm going to tell you that after a long time I'm discussing about NEET PG MDS. So it's basically a competitive exam which is generally held between 2 to 5 p.m. 960 questions are there, where 240 questions are there in Part A plus Part B. Part A contains 100 questions, Part B contains 140 questions. So there are 17 subjects from first year to final year which can yield you marks. So the correct marks is +4 and negative marks is -1. So always you put a tick on any of the questions. You should be very careful because it can yield you -1. So clinical and preclinical subjects will be also included from first year to final year. Part 1 is general medicine, general surgery. So after you have done your finals, you know that which are the important subjects for final first year. That is first year, second year, that is general medicine, surgery, microbiology, your anatomy, pathology. So there are different important topics which I've included in my channel also. You can go ahead in the previous video sections, or I'll include the link. You can also ask me in the comments. I'll tell you more in details. So every year the quota for general public is 58, whereas SC/ST is 45%. Another topic is, there are different subjects, so which all books to refer. So in all my videos I've told about in pathology, in microbiology, in the biochemistry, anatomy, which all books to refer, medicine, surgery. These were very important subjects which can yield you marks. And in section B, you have all the dental clinical subjects, which are preclinical, paraclinical, and also the theoretical subjects. So let me tell you very clearly, I also got good marks, 8th rank in the central merit list. I never wanted to be burdened on the last moment. So I started preparing from first year only. In the weekends, I used to be memorizing the that is multiple choice questions, whereas in the weekdays, I used to study whatever was taught in the class, anatomy, biochemistry. Previous year's question preparing from dental pulse is very important. If you do it from your that is first year, it is very important. If you have no time left, then what you can do is you can go ahead with dental desk, dental bites, dental explorer. Keep updates. You have to study from day one, making sure that each day counts, and learning from day one is very important. See, just the way in education also, you make mistakes, you learn from your mistakes. Similarly, in all the fields, be it music, be it singing, everywhere you have to make mistakes, then you have to learn from them. But you have to work. You have to keep working for your family so that they don't work and you are working for them. You are doing the hard work and they get a good rest. So that is why go for it, guys, and do help your parents, do help your family to earn well. And what you need to do is going with your dreams, pursue your NEET PG MD's career and getting a good branch of your desired dreams. And I'm sure that if you start studying from day one, all the subjects, and go through all my videos, channels, the books to refer, the Telegram channels which give you online free books, you will be able to crack all the subjects. So thank you everyone, and a very good night.